Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a vegetable biryani recipe. It's that time of the year when a lot of people are harvesting vegetables from their allotment, garden, growing projects, or however you've been growing things this year. And my friend's mom was kind enough to put together a bag for me of all the different types of vegetables that she's been growing on her allotment. And I wanted to use those vegetables while they're still fresh. So I decided I'm going to throw everything together into one dish and make a biryani. If you want to see how I make this, keep watching. Also, if you're brand new to this channel, do hit the like button at the end of this video. That's if you enjoy the video, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified of when I share a new video. Let's get on with the video. I'm starting off with 2 cups of brown rice, some coconut milk and a bit of sea salt to season, and I'm going to allow the rice to cook to about 80%, and then I'm going to set it aside and add it to the dish later on. So I'm just showing you here some of the vegetables that I'm going to add to the biryani. I had courgette, beetroot leaf, I also had beetroot, but I'm not using the beetroot in the dish, some runny beans, I've got some peppers and onion on the side as well, and some green peas. To make the curry, I'm starting off with 1 cup of water. You can use oil instead of water if you use oil. And I'm adding to the water half a caloves stock cube, 2 bay leaves, some fenugreek, ground coriander, cumin seeds, and 2 cloves of garlic. A full list of the ingredients used in this recipe will be available on my website, so if you check the description bar, everything will be there. And I'm just adding here 1 heaped teaspoon of turmeric, and I allow those spices to cook together for a couple of minutes, and now I'm adding my vegetables. I left behind some of the leaves of the beetroot because those will cook really quickly, so I'll add them a little bit later on. And I've added my garden peas, and I left this to cook for about 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes this is what I had. And I'm just adding the rest of the beetroot leaves at this point. And my curry was looking a little bit weak, so I decided to add a bit more turmeric. And I'm seasoning it to my preference at this point, so I've added some salt and a bit of chili, and this chili is really hot, so you only need a little bit. And to thicken this all up, I have mixed together a bit of corn flour and some water, and that will thicken up the curry. I'm just giving it a quick taste here to make sure it's just right. And the last thing to do is just to add in the rice. I know some biryani recipes you will add fried onions, and you might even use basmati rice instead of brown rice. So those are things you can look into, or you can use, instead of using brown rice, using basmati rice. But this is the finished product. This was so delicious, and it was such a nice way to use up all of the fresh vegetables that I had from the allotment. Do remember to hit the like button if you enjoy this video, and also subscribe and share it with someone else. Maybe you know someone who's got allotment and they're using up some of their vegetables. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.